Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2019 Toyota Sienna equipped with the VMI Infloor ramp. To operate the ramp, this one is going to be a two-touch system, so you'll have two key fobs to open the door first. And then you can use your secondary key fob to bring out the ramp. Let's go ahead and check out the setup. So this is going to be the Infloor ramp, and the width on this ramp is going to be 30 inches. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger front removable seats. And this van here only has 59,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring in the ramp. You will first use the secondary key fob to operate the ramp. You will then use your primary key fob to go ahead and close the door. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. This one is going to have the backup camera. And in the back here, you will have room for some storage. On the bottom, you will have room for the spare tire. And as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 59,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.